Hello everybody, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're back again with another Mission Souls Family Bands reaction. But this is a special song done by them. And to be honest, the first time I've heard this song, my mind blown. My mind was blown with the crazy vocals by the Righteous Brothers. So the Mission Souls family are very talented people. So this was done like 2 weeks ago, and I'm just getting the chance. So please stay tuned. Let's see what's up. In 3, 2, 1.
Time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Oh, you so
I gotta say, very, very relaxing. Yet so much nostalgia of when the first time I've heard this song. This song brought back so much memories in the past that I've been through. And these guys, these wonderful Mission Souls family, revamped back everything again, bro. Damn, they are too good. They are too good. The music is so soft, man. And it is just like a pop music, bro. It is just so soft, so relaxing, such entertainment. I'm feeling entertained. I'm feeling good to listen to these guys play any music that they've chosen to play.
to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Oh,
Yo, the vocals, bro. This is way too good, bro. Way too good, man. Oh God, bro. Almighty God, bro. Yo, this is way too good, bro. This is way too perfect. What a sweet family, man. What beautiful talent, bro. Oh my God, I'm feeling everything rushing through as if I'm being struck by lightning, bro. Like, bro, like a massive shockwave shattered through my entire body. I'm shattered in enjoyment now. Damn, damn. Wow, remarkable. At this point, I do not know what to say. I'm lost for words at this point. But I guess you guys should get it. I guess you guys should understand. They're always doing this. They're always leaving others speechless, do not know what to say after they listen. Right? So that is what I'm in that position of right now. Unable to speak on this matter. So all thing I could tell you guys is that just subscribe, right? Leave a like and share this video to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, man. Like, stay tuned. I mean, like, there are a lot more to check out. So it's my pleasure. Peace.